Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing geography, climate chapter, fourth chapter of geography. The last four question answers are remaining. So let's discuss that last four question answers. The fifth question is now describe the regional variations in the climatic conditions of India with the help of suitable example. So answer is Indian Peninsula Indian Peninsula shows wide variations in climatic conditions across various regions. For example, during winter season, the temperature goes into negative in the Himalayan region. In northwest India, temperature can range between 0 degree to 15 degree Celsius during winter. During the same season, the temperature in Chennai remains a comfortable 25 degree Celsius. The same variation can be seen in the summer as well. While the temperature in Rajasthan can hover around 47 degree Celsius, it is a comfortable 30 degree Celsius in a Chennai. Now we'll move for the sixth question. Discuss the mechanism of monsoons. Discuss the mechanism of monsoons. Answer: the low pressure condition over the northern plains interference by the beginning of June. It attracts the trade winds from the southern hemisphere. Thus, southeast trade winds cross the equator and blow in a southwesterly direction to enter the Indian Peninsula. As the southwest monsoon, these winds brings abundant moisture to the subcontinent. Now let's move the seventh question. Give an account of weather conditions and characteristics of the cold season. Answer: the temperature the temperature ranges between 10 degree to 15 degree Celsius in the northern plains. The weather is usually marked by clear sky, low temperatures and low humidity and feedable variable winds. The inflow of cyclonic disturbance from the west and the northwest is a characteristic feature of the cold weather over the northern plains. Thus, low pressure systems originate over the Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia and move into India. They cause winter rains over the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Now, last question, eighth one. Give the characteristics and efforts of the monsoon rainfall in India. Answer we can write like this. Monsoon tends to have breaks in rainfall, which means that there are wet and dry spells in between. The monsoon is famous for its uncertainties. It may cause heavy floods in the one part of the country and may be responsible for a droughts in other part. Because of its uncertain behavior, it sometimes disturbs for framing schedule in India. This affects millions of farmers all over the country. So these are some question answers from climate chapter. For reference, you can refer NCERT textbook. Thank you.